The problem started when I was home. Manje akasekho umuntu ongidodosayo ongilethela medication. Now it needs to be my responsibility to take medication. Chiki 8 ushaya ngaphuza medication ngiphuze ngo9. Chiki ngiyaphuza chiki angiphuza. Skipper for 2 days, 2 days turned into 2 months, 2 months turned into 8 months, 8 months, 2 years ngaphuza medication.
Sure.
From 2 years it went to 3. Just 3 went to 4. 4 went to 5. Now it was 6 years not drinking medication, and now it was late 2015. Deep down, I knew that it's about to go down, but again, it's like mangizibone spilling ngisasemnandi akunani. And bonke labantu bangibuza ukuthi ngisaphuza amapilisi. Ngithi yeah, but they've never seen the pills around or any other thing.
All right, greetings. Welcome to the show. We are back again with another episode. Today I'm sitting with a champion, man. A very, 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 very special guest. Guma VIP, they're saying very, 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 very important. Ladies and gents, give it up for the one and only Prince. What's it, my guy?
I'm not. I
know you're grand in faith. Finally, you are here.
Yeah, and yazi special on my birthday.
Yes,
officially,
man.
Like
your birthday.
But in your podcast, it's one of the blessed ones because la sengivula khona umnyango mangilongishala amatho ngithi I'll be celebrating 32 years with HIV. Wena wafika nje ngisaceda ukuvula nje ngithi hawo 32 ngephakathi wathi la uqala la on the green couch.
Uyabona. Yes, man. How is your birthday going, eh?
Well, so far so good. I can't complain, eh?
How many messages have you received so far?
I lost count.
You lost count, you know? And you're what a good TikTok influencer.
Not yet an influencer, but getting there. At least ngifuna ukuthi do you know what, like on TikTok ne?
Yeah.
We have abantu abaningi abakhuluma nge-HIV. And abantu bashare i-awareness the way bafuna ukuyishare ngakho.
Yes.
Ingikhumbuza uChris Brown nje athi bamcompare no Asha.
Oh, okay.
About them singing who sings better and all that. But do you know ukuthi wena no Asha ngena share ingoma enibhalwe umuntu oyi-1. uChris Brown wathi bangaziletha bangazenza zonke le ngoma but who can sing it better than me?
Asha.
So like even no Asha can't sing better than Chris Brown.
Yeah.
Chris Brown has just his own way of just making things ingoma noma siyijwayele but makayiqulu uyizwa ngathi man khona lento le sauce ayifakayo le ku KFC le engatholakali recipe so nami ngithanda ukusho kanjalo ngithi singaba baningi esikhuluma nge-HIV on TikTok, on social media, but who delivers it the best, who makes it fun while learning, because in order for people to mina eskela mina noma ngabuzwe iskela angisinqanywa totally incwadi nani ngizithanda, but in order for me to capture me on that, you need to have fun while I'm learning. Abantu basokuthi ngine ADHD because I can dwell with nabantu abanayo hypertension and all that, abantu konje basibizana lesifo, but khona le I think it's ADHD, but umuntu okhona akwazi ukuhlala endaweni eyi1 isikhathi eside usuka la ele and still ukwazi ukuthi ngihlale naye ngimcalm down sixoxe senze yonke lento le bazi bathi wena man you need to get checked out wena ngathi
no psychologist nyana ne
mina I did counseling and nakhona accepting my status, I'm the one who counseled myself, so that's why I decided ukuthi
how did you do that?
I was in a deathbed while I was doing that. Deathbed.
Oh, okay.
Like,
but we're gonna get there.
Yeah, we're gonna get there. So
you told me like from the beginning, see step by step, you know, because now I'm trying to open my mind for uguting fundo mningi. I don't know much, but I believe that myself and that guy over there and everyone out there can learn so much from your story.
Yeah.
Where have you like Opuma Gupi? Where are you from?
Okay, actually the story where I'm one person who likes hopping from one place to another, one place to another. All about living good energy wherever I hop from one place to another, and also learning things. Hence nama language, I can speak almost I can say 8 languages. So the way I was born in Katlehong in the East Rand. My father is from East Rand. But then my mom is from Soweto.
Oh, okay.
So I was raised in Soweto, Abraham Fisher. Mase ngicala ngikhula ngicala ukugula, then I shifted ngayohlala Florida at a children's home. We're gonna get to that as well. Then from there it's to Meadowlands, from Meadowlands back to Florida, Florida, East Rand, Pretoria. So I'm almost all over.
Yeah.
So yeah, but basically Prince is from South Africa. That's in short, that's
you
all I can say.
with the underline weight.
Yeah, it's just from South Africa. To the exact, because I'm going to tell this thing. Yabona khona this beef eba khona ebantwini ukuthi hawu thina sakubona ugula, but life yakho started prospering when you were in East Rand. So mangizoti I'm from East Rand. So thina sesoweto. So basically I'm from Joburg.
Okay. All right.
Let them share the spoils. I'm from Joburg. East of Joburg, west of Joburg.
Then how was your childhood while you're saying growing up?
Well, my childhood, it wasn't that complicated. It was just one of those jolly child. Like to play around. Like I didn't care much about that. Even after finding out about my status, it wasn't that much of a challenge because I started falling sick kahle 2003, even though I was born with it. So uqala kwami ukugula, obvious umzali uyazi uhlala ne-outage entsha lapha uhlala nayo lapha endlini, so usafihla izinto ukuthi mina nganje nomntwana wami ukanje, so usayifihlile. So from our side ngaqala ukulose weight, started falling sick, ukudla bengikufihla kula makhushini lawo, and forgetting ukuthi umuntu ophekayo uyoklinayo, so uzowathola ukuthi why bengicanga ukuthi mangifihle la ngizovuka kusasa disappearile angazi why. But then ithema bangisusa bangisa eclinic, then masifika eclinic biotester, yathi you are HIV positive. My first reaction, yes.
Okay, wait. Bonanga by then?
I was between 10 and 11, I think.
10, 11?
Yeah.
Okay, so 10, 11, you get sick, and then back to clinic.
Yeah, back to clinic with new tester, because the way lose weight, my mom was like, "How na TB when and stuff like that." So, ngati angazi. Obviously, I'm still a kid. I don't know what TB is. So I was like, yes, finally. And then that counselor was like, "Why are you excited?" Not me. I school and my teacher told me to think positive, be positive, act positive. I need to be positive in everything that I do. And you could see from the nurse's face, the counselor's face was like, I don't want to break his bubble because he's excited that he's positive. But this is a different type of positivity. You are HIV positive. What is HIV positive? I know the answer. What is it? Okay, what's HIV positive? I used to say human immune virus. Oh, like, okay. Well, so you know what is HIV? Yes, they teach us at school. So they gave me the counseling. Okay, sharp. Even though you got figure some sangomas, balandu mama bati mailing you twasa, I have a calling and stuff like that. Umama mati, okay. I think lento lezobu calling Zamba generations to generations to generations. You can't just rock up now and abene nedlozi. Meanwhile ubaba kaganalo ini nabanalo, so how come?
Okay.
Then my mom just brushed everything off, and then it moved to me starting to take medication. But then I was taking AATP. By that time it was still powder, not pills. Powder mixa namanzi adding le bengokhoshap le mayiphuza namanje mangicabanga nje the yenza about that thing
be bad ne
it tasted horrible. Akunamapilisi taste kamnandi. Pills taste kamnandi, they are not there. So it started off as a TB, okay, losing weight. Ekhaya bekune bathini tavern, akusi tavern as much sporto. Tavern, you need to have a board mouse with okay la shower, but this sport is chafa khona. Not everyone buys but so lento le iyaba ilento ukuthi abantu abaphuza la bagcina sebadisa ukuthi bayabona uDiamond le manphaka la endlini. He always eats boiled food. Nina makunuka ifutha spicy, yena is on that boiled food all the time. cabanga kudliwa fish and chips njalo ngene endlini yelizwa lephunga leheki lenzana
Jesus
eyamsuka mina ngiyidla nje ngesmell nje eyambe bayiboil bayifaka epanini bathi boil bengicala ubona ukuthi ihake uyakwazi ukuyiboila from ama chips bangenzela amazambane abawaboilile
why bebawaboil
angithi by then besingazi ukuthi because it was still in 2003 2004 medication it wasn't yet exposed to everyone and by that time the former who was the president by that time and the health minister by that time wathi abantu mabadle ibeetroot igarlic so that they can stay healthy to boost their immune system so hence umama mina wagcina ngena ku that routine ukuthi 3 times a day I need to eat ama cloves one clove ekseni clove emini clove ebusuku of garlic so that ngazi ukuthi okay we helping the immune system pick up and stuff like that so do ingakhona ayiyabusha manje mase ngiyodlala nabanye abantwana but why wena njalo unuka igarlic because I'm HIV positive like oh okay
nobo ukhuluma
yeah like,
azange bakunikeze the tip ukuthi ungakhulumi to people because at the time the stigma besi worse than now
even now mawangitshela into ukuthi ungayenzi mina ngiyoyenza mina leso abasokuthi ngine ADHD because if you tell me don't do this I'm gonna do it because curiosity why would ngingayenzi I want to see what is it obathi ngingayenzi so
ukubona ukuthi mangiyenza kuzokwenzakala
so lo sisi wa suggest ukuthi man ngiyabona la endlini nokudla ama eating utensils masengiceda ngazo nizibekela one side ezakhe ezenu uqala kwashe zenu then after kuzowashwe zakhe what's the story about that about I manje asifuna ukuthi asithelele into ezinjalo because by the time knowledge besase small by the time yabo and it was when the late Nkosi Johnson just came out about his status with people should just accept us for who we are we're not different from other people hence man noma ngiqala ama live wami ngithi it's the new age Nkosi Johnson aka Prince of the HIV talks yabo
okay
so into emangishanga khona lo sisi wasuka la wathi hayi man khona a place bathi Sparrow village yabo lapha eSparrow they can be able to help nge-medication and now I would understand what's happening with him then 2004 that's when I moved to Sparrows moved to Sparrows okay yazohlala ne-stranger niyahlangana not ukuthi Sparrows it was by that time it was still stigmatizing because they had that emblem in the sign le AIDS le they had they had that sign that again emblem they had that emblem and from there abantu started stigmatizing us at school it was hard staying there because you couldn't see about familiar or your friends back at home you need to understand that this is your new family this is your new friends you staying there it's it's not that we are humble you know you stay there so I stayed there up until I understand what was wrong with me and I understood it then from then it was things okay I stayed only there for 4 years manje on the last year ngihleli lapha manje sesilapha esikolweni everyone has accepted us because we might come from a children's home but we were the dopest in everything that we eat angithi abantu abazi ukuthi thina we were living off from a donation from the retail companies yabo so can you imagine ufike esikena abantu baphethe ikhaftini zabo and all that when your lunch mayivula hlezi kuvela uW it's Woolworth all the way so everyone ubheka ngento ukuthi esileza ama cheese boy lezi kahle uzana into bangazijwayelanga so to such an extent ukuthi even sponsors from abroad basibuza ukuthi majority ngenaphi isikolo we want to donate stationery and the stationery sakho babas donate it wasn't just a random stationery you had a pencil written Unified Public School everything ruler and all that but no let's phuma from ebantwaneni baseSparrow bathi bafuna ukushare nani ingabi yibo kuphela abaziphethe because bazibona ngathi sifika ngazo but no so donate isikolo sonke so we became the cool kids from there because we also got a chance around 2006 to go to England so ithe masesibuya lapho and what made us even really cool it was when Cristiano it was still his prime coming in we got to meet yena nabo Rooney and all that the pictures so ithe masibuya they showed everything lapha on the screen at school and we were playing imarimba band as we were playing it they sing the pictures uthi sasibenhleli nezinja soccer stars and So that's how we became popular at school, and everyone just understood us. We had friends coming in for sleepovers. Man. This is a normal place because if you are HIV positive, you take your ARVs. If you are HIV negative, you take a multivitamin.
Okay.
So that kungabi ukuthi while waphuza medication lo angaphuza medication yabo. So ekseni sonke siyazi siphuza medication. Umuntu uzokutshela ukuthi hayi mina ngiphuza medication ebusuku ngiphuza ekseni kuphela. Yena uyaphuza akazi ukuthi uphuzani. You're just taking medication because nathi abazi ukuthi siphuza, and they only know now as we grow old ukuthi kanti mina ngiphuza ama ARV all along ngiphuza multivitamin. Okay. So nabo manje makahlela bona umuntu uphuza medication ukuthi wonke umuntu uphuza medication, wonke umuntu ugula ngesifo sakhe. Yabo. Yathi 2008 sense nabangani yazi manhle sihlangene ukuthi mina kithi kuso mangiphuma esigela ngidlala so. Then I was like, nah, mighty December ngekhaya la, I'm packing everything what's mine. Leze sengingazifuni impahla ngizosishiyela for laba sala abanye ngabanikeza bathi awusabuyi ngathi never nyahamba, and that's how I left. But continue iskolo, I continued iskolo apha. Now I was traveling now baloku bangibona. Then from there ngaqala ugeleze kasi. The problem started I imagine lapha eSparrow we had caregivers abaza ekseni ebusuku bazosinikeza medication. The problem started when I was home. Manje akasekho umuntu ongidodosayo ongilethela medication. Now it needs to be my responsibility to take medication. Okay, from bengwaphuza ngo8 jiki 8 ushaya ngaphuza medication ngiphuza ngo9. Jiki ngiyaphuza jiki angiphuza. Mama mangibuza uyaphuza amaphilisi wena? Ngiwaphuzile. All right, sharp. Skipper for 2 days. 2 days turned into 2 months. 2 months turned into 8 months. 8 months, 2 years ngaphuza medication.
Sure.
From 2 years it went to 3. 3 went to 4. 4 went to 5. Now it was 6 years not drinking medication, and now it was late 2015. Now I had moved from Soweto, sengise Eastern, ngihlala nomalumama. So I lapha yazi asiyabshaya, smoking, everything. Then things started changing. Sesishintsha manje masokwenzakalani. Ngiyabona ukuthi abantu bayabshaya mina sengidaya ngigrand. But iskave ngawuza ngigrand.
What was going on then?
Angazi nami. Deep down I knew that it's about to go down, but give me it's like mangizibona esipilini ngisasemnandi akunani extension.
Mama was check esipilini ubonani, were you getting slimmer or were you losing weight again?
Here's something abantu abangayitholi. Even yourself, once you lose weight or you gain weight, you cannot see it. Ubona omunye umuntu.
Okay.
Because namanje umuntu ogcina, let's say 2 years back, makubuza ukuthi so gainile uphila kamnandi I'm still the same person. Yena uyokubona.
But with clothes bezingiluza kakhulu or
next mina umzimba wami ungenye indlela, umzimba wami ungenye indlela, lo mzimba ngazi kanjani.
Okay.
Noma ngathi asambe manje sicala igym sikuka insimbi, singaqala sonke si3 kanje. Slow city sikuka insimbi, but basinikeza 3 weeks. In 3 weeks I'll be buffer than all of you bangati I've been doing this for months. So ibe ile nto le ukuthi yashisa ilanga lila. Masiyidlalise ekasi sithi lishisa likhipha umxhoze ekyotyombi. Lila. Angitshela ngibambe esinye isilamba ngihleli kanje la ngikhazi nami ithi yini wena waqoka isilamba kushisa kanje. Ngithi ngiyakodola mina ayikuphumela ukuthi hayi wena wahlanya ngibuza unwadi sabana unwadi ipilisi wena ngithi and bonke labantu bangibuza ukuthi ngisaphuza amapilisi ngithi but they've never seen the pills around or any other thing. Hi sharp ngitawuthi ngicale ngithi ngiyazitotosa ngizise eclinic lapha ngithi hayi awuthi ngiyocala mangiyana lapha eclinic ngithi ngiyaqala khona isidron bayangirasela labo nurse wena yini ngathi laba ngazi la nyeba sangibona ngabuyele endlini azange ngisathatha namapilisi wakhona.
So ngalini
kungene enye cousin yami mangena ithi wena why you pale kanje wena upale manje for umuntu odaka abe pale. Something's wrong now. And umama muye weza a few months back. But then wangibona nje ngilose weight ngathi man bengilongisebenzwa isisu babo. Wathi alright wathi ngizele nayi imoringa powder wangizela ne soy milk. Only to know ukuthi mangizophuza isoy milk kufanele ukuthi ngibhalele isisam iCV ukuthi yabona manje bafana khathelo yini yakhekheleza ngifuna nisebenze manje you need to work hard yes asebenza isisu lapha
yes
bengathi mawufika lapha ethwadi ngathi ngivulela impompi nje kanti mangilo ngihlala lapha mangisukuma ngishiya iweight yami lapha lokho kuyaphela kancane kazi nama ngibona ithi hayi wena nje ubupheki usong fonela umawuledi wami adabana if anifuna ukumncwaba uPrince uzani izomlanda because wahlala 2 more weeks la niyomncwaba then my mom wenzeni
the situation was too bad
hey mina ngiziboni mina it was too bad la ngibone khona ukuthi something is wrong because ubhuti wami uze the following day weza azongilanda hambe ngama taxi wafika and ufike ekseni ngabo 7 makafika azovula umnyango ngithola ngihleli vele kule same sofa bengihleli kuwe ngisakhokha umoya yabona lewe ugula ngone into ukuthi thumi kuthi uphakame uthi 5 minutes yonke ungayithatha lokwenza so lokuyizama nje lento leyo yabona manje mayingena ngibona ibrocket lami liyakhala lapha mazathi inyembezi aziphi impahla zakho sparke fast manje sekayachikana ngayi and by that time mangidla lapha angazi ubani wanginikeza this thing uthi ngoba ngiyaqhaqhazela ebusuku hamba ukhamanzi awom uphuza amanzi awom uzoba right angazi bengithatha hapi leyo tactic ebengiyenza ngicela ukuthi yangisebenzela kanti ngivibrator bengivibrate ukudlula iNokia 3310 ngaleso sikhathi
yes
usho ngiyabona ukuthi hayazini la asicoca impahla sibuyele kasi so manje masibuyele kasi ubhuti wami is like ayazini ngoba nje yazi abantu basekasi lakho bathanda indaba ngaba manje ngiluze iweight ibruku bengilibambe kanje yingekhona ukuthi lingawo mele manje ngijumpa amabonda ukuthi bangangiboni lapha ekasi lapha ethe manje ngihlane yanga brother yami nathi manje ngibona yakhala na ukuthi yo kanti ngiyabona ukuthi am I that bad vele makubuye uMawuledi abuye eSpanini nawe yabona uMawuledi ukuthi hayi next kumbi sterek ku bad afonela ingami la kade lo muntu uyasika lo muntu ngiyeke ngikwazi ukuze emsebenzini kusasa mele ngimise ka doctor hayi manje sisuke sithi sibedlela I think it finally kicked in when siceduke because iLeratong Hospital is just there ama taxi just ukusuka la nje the way ngidrope off khona ukusuka nje la to ngena la same place udawu usuka nje la ngena ngibone la ukuthi it hit home we mangicala ngingena ngithi hayi ngibona iphora iza ne wheelchair kimi yabo ukuthi out of umuntu lethi wheelchair kimi ata broaka nafatse kabona ukhathethi ngasho ngadawo kanjalo nje ngafakwa ezichephesini yehewu ngithi ngangagula bathi hewu adawo kanjalo nje sebangenza ichephesini hewu association sengu chephesini manje ngithi ay fail and manje iyenza ndayide ngaphuza ngengqondo isana ukuthi slicer thuthi bangibuze lapha bathi endoda uke wayeza la before I'm like nah I've never been here thathe ama details wami la mana ngibuza athi baba akazuzela uchayisa imoto ngathi mina mama ukhohlwe ukuthi uyachayisa imoto ngithi yo ngikhohliwe mina bathi we from la bangicala because manje bese ngimuvela into e8 stage manje.
Really?
Yeah, because angibe ngisuke from HIV to 8 stage.
Yeah.
And into emnandi ebangifundisa ngayo ngisaqala uphuza medication wami, it was even though I'm HIV positive, I was taught ukuthi, and we were told nasespar ukuthi whenever you become intimate, use a condom, because it will be so ukuthi omunye umuntu kusasa athi nyagula because of wena. So it was lento le ngayifundiswa le, so even though benguma joling spree wami yenza into zamnyeke medication, I was still using it,
a condom.
Yeah.
So akaze vele ke uyizame ngenyama skin to skin.
Kube nginabantwana manje musa.
Oh.
Anamele ngibe ubaba umuntu na
So how many kids do you have now?
I have 2.
You have 2?
Yeah, 2 sons.
Oh, okay. But at the time when you mawuyeki medication vele bongayizami namathuni yami.
Bengayizamile. I was one skeptical person.
Oh, okay.
So leyo part leyo hayi bengayidlala nokuyidlala leyo.
Okay. So yeah.
So manje ibe lento ukuthi ay manje kunzima manje. I-medication manje banginikeza kumele ngiphuze 3 ekseni, 3 emini, 3 ebusuku. I had to take 1 pill. And mawuta checka ngaqala before iba i1 pill, it was still ama capsule.
Yeah.
Whereby you were taking 3 ebusuku, 2 ekseni. So manje ithe masivela ku DTG. That was when it was one pill before they introduced TLD.
Okay.
So manje ngiyabo ukuthi
those TLD is the name of the pill.
Yeah, it's the ingredients of the pills. They're combined pills in one, which is tenofovir, lamivudine, and dolutegravir.
Okay, yeah.
So the way ingakhona ngithi yeah manje it's a shobi manje. Hayi start namapilisi izwayo. Awumaledi sekabuyele esipanini. Manje lo engakhona siyaphuza lamapilisi but akuna next engathi kuba ne-improvement man. Instead man le structure lesesimile abantu baloku bayathutha kancane bayathuta kancane yabo ukuthi abantu abasekho la sekusele nje amathambo nje kancane. So iGodfather Michikade ithi iGodfather I met him ngisahlala eSpar.
Okay.
He's like him kanti wena wayibo ungayi esikolweni vele. That was late 2015. 2016 ngiregister for EIT Rosebank. So I'm like ayothi ngiyeskela yimlo ngithi ngiyabangena eskela. Hayi man. Yezwa ukuthi la ngiyazifoster. Phela nobe sekushisa iye emqolo.
Yeah.
So manje ngitshela
Godfather. So phumile esibhedlela no.
Esibhedlela zange admithiwe ngengala mina.
Wo wenza ingena phuma.
Yeah, bebathi bayangadmitha ngala ngathi never.
Yeah. Ngathi medication.
Ngathi if akunani masa abantu uyazi uyakuthi sometimes umagula kakhulu angena esibhedlela chances of them making out of hospital it's rare unless they are at the best medical care.
Yeah.
So mina I was like hayi mama if mina uyangithanda ngcono ngishonele endlini hayi la esibhedlela.
Ngisho kanjalo.
Yimi ngisho kanjalo but how why isibhedlela sokunceda ngathi bheka around la sonke kanje siyakula sonke. Nami ngiyayela ngiyakula. Uba no motivate omunye la ukuthi aphone
akekho
because mangikubhekela ngibheka no ngiyakubheka naloya
don't say that man
lo bamshayela izandla la ukuthi uceda ibanana loya lo bamshayela izandla ukuthi uceda amahewu ngabona kahle ngathi hayi never mama wathi ayilento le inenkani le mangise endlini manje endlini bekunokusala lesiningisale ngiyi1
so bongafaka ipampers at the time oh okay
so manje bese ngivela izinto lezi ezeza ama-swollen gland la.
Oh,
so
okay.
I think it was medication trying to clean up from inside. So manje they need an exit wound for their pus ukuthi iphume.
Yeah.
So manje what happened it was khulu yaba into encane yathi isolo mina ngibe better ngiba worse angatshela uGodfather ngathi mina ngicela ufreeze izinto esigela never and focus on my health. Did just that. I had to focus on my health. Na manje asaya lapha eLerato ngiyele kuphi Esparo bangifaya via ini Helen Joseph nakhona Esparo bathi ukula ngakhona kumele uhlale la ehospice ngabatshela ngathi never ehospice futhi kuwesa abantu abafaka ama-pampers ngeke motivation uyithola phi lapha
and basho bayablexe man
lapha unamandla okubleksema lapha mangihlela impukani la uzwa ngathi kuhlela inkukhu there's nothing you can do yabo so ngiyabona ngathi hayi ngihlale namajita ngithi at least amajita mangila because amajita nawe bese ngihleli namajita la ngikhule nawo bengihlezi ngisesofeni mina ngidle kusesofeni amajita nokuthi masihleli nje mangibona ngathi ngithi but hayi baba ungazolala sivuke nje sishaye round nje lapha uzothi uyalala kanti ukhamba kwakho la siyo yabo manje lento ukuthi beba motivate nokunekawula ukudla ngabuyele ekhaya thema sifika lapha sithi lento lezi siphume yimanje seyivele la emqolo ke manje sebangathi manje ibathini isifumbo rini la emuva la ngiyabona manje uta lento lesi serious.
Can you describe it in a way ukuthi ngiunderstand ngakhona kuvela ini isilonda or something like igugumba
uyabona i-camel.
Oh yeah
I had that thing la emuva la it was beyigrowth but even though mina bengihlala ngabe ngikwazi ukuhlala ngabe but it was growing day by day. Masiya lapha Helen Joseph but bayichecka they can't see anything so they can't operate what they can see yabo yes bona they can see to deny it but they need to bayicheck kumshini because into ezikanjalo zambiselana nama vein and all that so they don't want to operate something whereby it might jeopardize me. Hayi siloku sihamba lapha sihamba
was it painful?
bengasazi ukuthi now immune to pain. I-pain bese ngijwayele.
Oh. Okay.
Nama painkillers bebangasasebenzi. Mangiphuza i-painkiller, I would sweat, and once you drink medication and you start sweating, that means you are drug resistant to that particular pill, so you need to stop it. So ithiba ngithi ngiyabo ukuthi la mase ngihlala ngisembhedeni nje lapha endlini. Hayi nyasho ukuthi mina ngibangcono hayi sibuyele futhi eHelen Joseph. Hayi bafethu mama mantayi bafethu. Lo muntu instomach ibelisikali last bekaweya 49.
49.
And lo muntu una 23 uya 49.
Jesus.
Mangibeli isikali bese ngiweya 38. Yabo instead of ukuthi ngikhuphuke nya
Yeah.
and the viral load by that time yenzani yakhuphuka na. I-CD4 count yenzani iyayehla because i-CD4 count yami bayithola iku -20. Bese kusele kancane kanje ukuthi sihambe ke emarket esifunane nama-pampers ke isize yabo.
Yeah.
Le ndiya
But at the time ubucabangani ukuthi vele no ngiyavaya no vele ukuthi iyachaya kwenzakalani emqondweni wakho?
Mina kimi ke bese ngicabanga ukuthi yabona ke manje isichaya. Ngisho ukuthi manje isichaya. So manje iyenzeni lento le ibe lento lokuthi lo doctor lo weNdiya ne was like give me okay asenze so.
Yeah.
How about you go there you testa i-urine yakho. Ne go piss in a cup. Sibuye sobona ukuthi kwenzakalani. Went I pissed in the cup. Then wathi ama results akhona la esibhedlela like ilab ila esibhedlela, so you need to just wait few minutes or few hours.
Yeah.
Then you'll be okay. Then I stayed there vele. Mangisahleli lapha sengilele ngidle kumama wami vele because bengihamba naye. Then azivusa athi ama results waphumile manje. Athi I have good news and bad news.
Yeah.
But ama good news ukuthi ama results aphumile, but bad news ukuthi now sesiyazi ukuthi yini emphethe, but it's up to him whether he wants to fight or to give up. So manje azivusa ukuthi I wonder lo utholeni lo. Mabathi bayachecka la bengine EPTB.
What is that?
Extra pulmonary TB.
Okay.
Angithi nasazi iTB eyamalungs.
Yeah.
Mina bengina TB yamalungs.
Une TB ya.
Bengine TB yegazi nespine.
Oh.
That's how the damage went through.
Yeah.
Because le ela emuva la emqolo, it was just 0, few millimeters away from my spine, because itema bayicleana le uDr Makafaka umuna ayiclean. I could literally feel from here to underneath my feet. Makathinta kanje afaka umuntu, I could feel ukuthi ubamba something that's controlling my entire system, my body. Ati, this is your spine, the one that I'm touching with my finger. We're trying with this clean this wound la. La doctor la wanginikeza mama. Yabona, that was the longest prescription I've ever seen.
Yeah.
Wapala yabona, take 1 3 times a day, la take 2 3 times a day, la take 4 3 times a day. Yabo. So overall mase ngithi amapills ungakhola ukuthi lapha banginikezeni banginikeze 9 whereby it's 3 manje lo doctor la uede 20 so now it's 23 ekseni 23 emini 23 obusuku. Overall a day it's 69 pills. Bekumele ngenze sure ukuthi ngiyawagwinya la mapilisi.
Yes, it's like you were trafficking drugs or something.
Yeah, lapha bengathi ngivula ipharmacy la eceleni la bengathi ngivula enye ipharmacy
For how long then?
For 9 months.
9 months?
Yeah.
So in total we were drinking how many pills?
More than 15,000 pills.
Yes. Okay, then what happened?
In just a month, it was just something else.
But were you not getting tired of drinking all those pills though?
I believe that I had taken enough break for pills.
Yeah.
6 years, it's a long break for pills. So that was the outcomes. Even though I had this close friend, you started the fire, put it out. I can't put that fire out for you.
Yeah.
You need to put it out yourself. So manje bese ngibuyele ekhaya no wonke lamapilisi day by day. So still remember ngiye clinic bayocleana the wound la. Njoba uDoctor azofaka umponsi nje azothinta lapha. Wabhala lapha, no, you need to go to the dressing room, back dress la emove back clean and bazokushaya injection enye kumele bakunezwe. That injection made things worse. It made things worse because of that injection I became partially paralyzed.
Damn.
Because uyangishaya injection la ezansi la lenyawo leli automatically just mangimile bongancaudu ngi-ambassador kaJohnny War yini i-Captain Morgan
Yeah.
beka phansi bengigoba mangiyisa phezulu inyawo belisukuma I couldn't even if you forced it to I couldn't so
No.
that
Okay.
thing le elana la emqondo seyishiftele va on my thigh manje la seyishaya sesipholile on my thigh manje and manje on my thigh it's getting close to my testicles
Oh yes.
my right testicle manje it was burning so hard that noma ngithatha ice cube ngibeka la it melted within seconds
Yeah.
the way the temperature beyikhuphe ngakhona my skin would peel off because of the heat
Yeah.
elebe lapho that's when I decided to die as in I'm just gonna find me a sterilizer a blade and sterilize it and just pour cold water to at least cool off the temperature a bit. Then I cut it myself. After cutting it, like black stuff came out, white stuff came out, everything. And that's when I started feeling the relief that
Yeah.
finally
Kwaba bethanyana.
it became a bit better manje.
Wait,
Saying is-
lesilonda leso sichaza it's more like a pimple ma you squeeze so phuma something, ne?
Yeah, but bigger than that.
Or bigger than
Because the hole is like this size, the one
Yeah.
that I cut here, and nalese mqolo, it's like this size. Same size as this one here.
that. Yeah. Oh,
Yabo.
okay. all
Same
right.
size
I
as
can
your
see the dark spot here.
yeah, and there's this one.
Yeah.
Like which it was here and here.
Mm.
Then kona yesemuva, then kona le ela foot.
Yeah.
So it was something else ngibona ukuthi hayi as in la it's chila. Yabona le ngubo lezi ezigrut lezi winter.
Yeah.
Ibe ngilele empedeni wayigoqa. Ngilapha empedeni kuyo phakathi wayivala nje uthi ngisha idouble ngicu. Bongangena la uthi upho prince akekho la ngilungilapha empedeni ungangiboni. That was how skinny I was, like skinny. So yaba ilento lokuthi manje I like making fun about it, just
Yeah.
laughing because manje seyidlulile so that someone at least can relate. I don't want to
Yeah.
make it sad ukuthi umuntu azothi no because uyabhora man.
Yeah. Nah.
So yaba ilento lokuthi now I needed to fight.
Yeah.
And I fought that battle 9 months passed. Stopped that 2020 back to 333. And manje it was just fighting off up until I was back to one pill. Then coming out about my status to the public. Because bengumuntu okhuluma but only friends, ex-girlfriends. Any relationship I started, one night stand I had, I would tell you that I'm HIV positive.
Baby, I receive a ganja.
I've never
Especially
received.
the one night stand.
I can't say bekwilento ukuthi hi getting rejected.
Okay.
Yeah. Ongumuntu mangicemtshela no I'm HIV positive. Mina for me it's because whenever I say I'm HIV positive I don't say I'm HIV positive.
Yeah.
Mina I was born HIV positive.
Oh.
So once
okay.
I put it that way,
Yeah.
like I don't give you a choice.
Yeah.
Abo.
Yeah.
Muzoba with oh okay because I never asked for it. I was born
With it, yeah.
and besides even if you got it through your own sexual encounters lapho kukuwe you didn't decide ukuthi today uthi ngiphume ngithole nyele nyolana nobani ngithole HIV or ngene store ngiyithenge. It's not that easy yabo. So for me na rejection I've never got it. Only experienced it. I can't say it was a rejection because a rejection umuntu ongafuni ukwenza next ngawe.
Yeah.
But it was with just this other girl nje because I think she didn't have that much information ngayo. What she did it was she came over having fun, drinks on point. When I told her that I'm HIV positive she was like, "Ish, you know what? For me now it's a baggage because I don't have much information. I don't want to find myself doing something wrong or saying something kuwe ezophatha kabi." So the best thing is as lento sithi siyayizama nje we just better off as friends. Then I was like, oh okay. Then she just spent the night, then the following day then she vamoosed. 2 years later she called me back. "Hey stranger, how are you?" I'm like, "I'm good, and you?" "I'm good." "Hey Joe, ubusy ngani?" I'm like, "Yo, ngibhoreke." "Athi wena uyojiva namhlanje?" I'm like, "Yo, mina ngiyafuna uyojiva but iwallet yami ithi awuyindawo wo.
Yeah.
So athi man since ungena ama plans ngicela ukwenzela ama plan ngithi serious sure athi bheka I was gonna come pick you up ukuthi nje ngisase busy trying to cook something yabo can I request for you then uzwakala all right sharp she request for me shuma uyangena bona kulama private estate nje I'm like big girl upgraded now she's flexing now
yeah
I got my gear now you can see now welcome to my place this is your house okay hi sharp relaxiwe she like do you want us to go get the drinks because bengazi ukuthi uzophuzani if you're still on the same drinks that you are drinking or you have changed haya sambe no you drive yabo fere shaya imoto siya lapha sibuye she's all friendly nice athi awungikwatela ngithi ngakwatela for yini athi no I felt like that time ngak-reject ngathi sitswana sesengikhana ngisenthola morwalo ma ungangifuni ungithuza umthwalo jo mina yabo because there's a reason why you rejecting me so and mina a reject ngithatha as next opportunity yabo a no it's a next opportunity yabo so sesirelaxile sihleli kule sofa lapha ngihleli la sibukela TV siphuzela into zethu awujikije umuntu uyashift uzohlala lapha phambi kwami anyasho ngithi yena ngihambani ngalisi I wonder so now we're talking with Depini and she's like mfethu angazi uyithatha kanjani lento ne but I'm HIV positive.
Wow, okay.
I'm like good for you, welcome to the family. High five. Sibona mse athawu prince nje kanje ngithi okay ufuna ngithini ngikupepe ngidoza ngikupepe ngikhalise ngithi no I'm not mad at you that you are HIV positive. It's okay.
Yeah.
I think my biggest regret even now is that why did I leave you, Joe?
Yeah.
Because you told me from the get-go, even if I didn't have information, I was gonna learn. At least you told me.
Yeah.
I think njoba ngibona ngihlala la kule ndlu this house ngithengelwe uyo lo muntu onginfectile the car every month ngithola plus minus 20 something grand.
Yeah.
Every month for the compensate because this person is a huge known person so akafuni kwazi ukuthi we HIV positive so we want to keep it under wraps as long as he's alive he's going to take care of me and all that so I'm like cool no problem that's your business that's your baby to nurse so he started making jokes athi awuselazivela ukwatanga hawu jiki inyawo beselile nyalibona inyawo selihlala la nyasho ngithi hey wahamba ngathi wahamba ngalela langa ngayitholanga ngathi manje ngeke ngimiyeke
yeah
and before that we are like hey Joe I never brought any condoms by the way like siyafana I'm like manje masifana athi HIV positive ngathi let me school you then we can be HIV positive C2 but there's something called reinfection you have your HIV I have my HIV Mina, I might be virally suppressed when you're not virally suppressed. Or you might be virally suppressed, I might not be virally suppressed. You're putting your green factor. The medication you put that means it's not working. Then they'll bring a different medication. Ati into let's share the motor, go buy you can share the motor while I still prepare something to eat. I share the motor, go bought the rubbers, then came back. No, like the following time I so can we try again then? You and I'm like, unfortunately no muntu, so we can't.
Yeah.
I'm like, we can't like seriously.
So what reject now?
Yeah, now it's about the one who laughs last laughs the best. And by that time being in a muntu, I just said no muntu.
Why bongamfuni at the time or so writing
not good being amfuni or being right. If she wasn't HIV positive, would we be in that situation?
No.
So manje kufana manje mina bayazi na ukuthi kuTalk I don't date abantu aba HIV positive.
Oh, okay.
I'm not trying to stigmatize them. It's just that I choose not to date them because abantu thina is HIV positive sina this lazy mind umuntu zokutsho ukuthi no mina ngikhathela ulungize explain abantu am HIV positive bang reject ngcono ngizitholela umuntu ofana nami. If uthola umuntu ofana nawe how many mistakes are going to happen? because no to know no, so it was HIV positive. So why should we use a condom? We've been together for isikhathi you are virally suppressed, I'm virally suppressed. Forgetting if umuntu aphathwa iflu nana ugula kuyavela kancane, then it escalates a bit and goes down. So yabo ukuthi lento enzani iyakhawata somewhere somehow yabo. So you need to take care of yourself. Namanje, I have a WhatsApp group that I'm running. Yabantang bathole off TikTok.
Yeah.
Whereby it's just a free space. Be free, guys. Say whatever you want to say. If you have a problem with your medication, we're there. We can help you.
Yeah.
Just trying to create that safe. And guess what's the question to them? Stella uvule I group yabantu aba HIV positive. Phela maybe singathola abantu bethi. Why don't you date abantu aba negative, guys? Khona abantu aba negative who want to date abantu aba HIV positive, because from umuntu HIV positive, like my partner said to me, it's better the devil you know than you don't. If you know that devil is HIV positive, rather because I'll take measures to protect myself. Protect. Otherwise,
yeah.
And I'm like, yo, yes, amahloni mababona amapilisi wethu ngithi umuntu owazi ngidobana khona manje mina ngiye ngiwakhomba amapilisi we diabetes, we high blood, we cancer. Because why? Anginayo. But if you can recognize ama ARVs,
Mizinawuna. Simple.
It's either uyawaphuza or wazi umuntu owaphuzayo. Uwazelaphi? Nginomba ngathi kulomnyango lo bathi ngaba ungena abantu aba HIV positive umuntu obona umathawu mina uphuma kulomnyango. Wenziwani kulomnyango? If uyazi, that means nawe kwangena kulo mnyango. Simple. My clinic like my collector like your pills aban exposed ban divide because but aba HIV positive one side science lento if they do that it's a lawsuit, my guy.
Oh, it's a lawsuit.
Yeah, they can't do that. You can get her suspended, and because angithi yazi lawsuit into encane phela manje. So ngiharasile, I'm being stigmatized, ibanjanjani, so akasafuna ukuphuza amapilisi. So they just say chronic. Because the chronic it includes high blood, diabetes, yonke lento leyo. So it's just chronic. Once but chronic, so yes, because now chronic you take pills for life.
Yeah.
So that's how it is.
Kunaloko kunye ngilokubona ukuphethe lapha ku TikTok.
Ngathi ngazile ukuthi uzongibuza ngazo.
Ngifuna ukwazi ngazo because I know what those ones are not ARVs, man. What are those things?
Ngathi ngazile ukuthi athi ngize nawo la.
Yeah, man, they look like beads though.
It is beads.
It is beads.
So it is beads.
Okay.
This it's how I use this is for demonstration purposes, ne?
Okay.
If umuntu is newly infected, akazi ukuthi because at least bazo phuza medication ube right nini umuntu understand nyaphuza onzala. So this one ngithanda ukuyidemonstrate ngithi asithi umuntu ongakatest umuntu ongasebenzisa condom, they are HIV positive but yet they don't know.
Yes.
Once bahamba bayo tester this is what igazi labo lizabe lingakhona lobu red obugcwele la, that's the virus elapho kuloyo muntu lo. And lobu mnyama lobu amasoja womzimba, the one that's supposed to be protecting the immune system and boosting the immune system to fight off the opportunistic infections like your TB, because once you're HIV positive you are prone to TB. I'm not saying maune HIV une TB, maune TB une HIV, but you are prone to TB, and once you have TB you are prone to HIV. That means you attract it easily. So once you start taking your medication as prescribed, advice, don't allow nurses with bagnezi iskhathi, rather choose the time you're comfortable in. Because bazothi phuza amapilisi ngo7 o'clock, wena ngo7 o'clock khona usagibela iteksi ukuze ekhaya khona uchayisayo ufike endlini ngabo 8. Rather choose u9 or whatever you're comfortable ngayo, and make sure that you use a condom. Awuphuzi imithi yesintu, awuqhathi, awugabhi, awusebenzisi isisu.
Wait, let's talk about the condom one. Hey, condom inzima ndoda.
Inzima ngani?
Hey, ayizwakali kahle ni. Zwakala ngasuthi hey, angazi man. I don't know the right way to say it, but
okay, can I switch the roles now? Can I ask you a question?
Okay.
The first time you started having sexual intercourse, did you use a condom?
Yes, I did.
Did you feel any difference? Or that was the best thing that you've ever had in your life?
Hey, I'm trying to remember, man. That's a long time ago. I'm kumbulin. But I remember, man, I used it. What happened next?
But that was the best moment. I guess.
Yeah, it was just
For
okay, man.
a while, couple of days. And manje so yazi manje lento mangena lento lesenjani.
Yeah.
But with that one, you thought, yeah, man, this is it.
Yeah.
So once you shift ngapha, iba yenye into. And I understand the question yakho ukuthi ibuya phi the condom, because I do get a question umuntu angibuza ukuthi okay, what if mina nendoda yami sila endlini, we loyal to each other, akekho yale nale.
Yeah.
And do you suggest us to use condom as well? Ngithi yazi ma unomuntu wakho noyithi une-HIV positive, at least iban virally suppressed cala. Once ukuthi low suppressed na low suppressed, make sure
how do you know that? You go to test.
Once you go to the clinic, they'll tell you the results. They'll keep telling you the results. Hence manje khona ba collector 8 leaks scare mangithi. So once isuka la, once isuka on this part ne, udlalwa ukuthi once isuka la uyabona ukuthi njani, once uqala i-medication yakho, what's happening now? You can see with the medication senzani say booster la masoja womzimba to fight off the red ela. And still use a condom, umuntu wesintu awuqhathi, awusebenzisi awenzini, you stick to that. Then uzomangala sabathi ugraduate. I-graduation, this is what we talk about. Now when you are on this stage, it's you equals you, undetectable equals untransmittable. That means Myla, the virus that's in your body, it's already weak. Weak in the medication, so you cannot pass it to another person. So when umuntu wakho baba sendlini uthi nishatile, so need to, then guys nibatala. Nizozibona mina ngithi yenzeni, but nibatala. As long as you know that you guys are protecting each other, and if one is positive and one is negative, we suggest with O negative agathathe i-pre-exposure prophylaxis, which is i-PrEP. I-PrEP i-protector against HIV. And abantu bane mistake ukuthi just because Friday kanje ibirthday ka Prince ke namhlanje ade uPrince ungifonela izolo or ngifuna ukuya kuye ngiyomthintisa enye into nje ethi ngicale ngiphuza iPrEP yami namhlanje because ngizobe nginayo weekend yonke ayisebenzi kanjani. You can't drink it because uya kumuntu wakho. You need to make sure that you drink it each and every day. And for it to fully protect you, you need to, but it's 7 days, but I like to say at least 28 days, so that you know that you are fully protected. Nye kujoin a security company today. Then maqeda uyenza expect ukuthi already mabangena igebengu ngokutshontshela nama insurance mela recover khona ne waiting period angithi leyo siya accept le waiting period, but le medication kunzima abantu ukuthi baya accept, but at least wait for that. Then uyazi ukuthi low negative, low positive, and the PrEP, it's pre-exposure prophylaxis. It only protects you against HIV, not the STI, not the pregnancy. So it's 99% safe, PrEP.
Oh, okay.
Yazi umuntu azibuza ukuthi awu manje wawuthi siyiphuze if it's 99% safe. What makes it 100% safe? It's adding a condom as well, so that you are 100%. That 1%, it's STI. That 1% it's STI. So mawuzoyivala uthi that means you are 100% safe. And if it happens that you were exposed, you are lala nomuntu HIV positive, you have less than 72 hours to go to a health facility. Uyofuna PEP. PEP, it's post-exposure prophylaxis. Iyo eflashayo. In short, PrEP isebenza as contraceptive pills. And this one, ARV, isebenza as maintaining the virus. And PEP, if wena zangu nomuntu wakho nisebenzisa ijazi lapha and awukho ready for ukuthi ube nomntwana, and uyazi ukuthi wena nje uyafana nezindlu zasimanje manje ezine toilet phakathi, wakhetha ukuthi nje uchamela phakathi, khona i-morning after phela ngithi uyazi it does wonders, it saves the day ngithi. Ne-PEP it works like that. Saves the day, but you have less than 72 hours
to go and take it. All right, so with PrEP basasebenzisa those pills, or now say we umjovo, because ngibone ngathi America they are using umjovo.
I-PrEP isebenza kwamanje in not all health facilities bane umjovo. Only private facilities like khona nenye organization iVeterHI is the one enokunikezana the injection one. But kuma local clinics you get le pills. Phela not everyone is okay ngomjovo, especially after this thing esiqeda ukuvela manje i-case law what le research le bayise court because of contraceptive injection le 3 months ebathi causela abantu i-brain cancer and all that. Pfizer they are court ngayo le ndaba le ukuthi whoever bathatha le 3 months chances of you having brain cancer are very high. So yabona nje sekuvela nalento ezinje bayabo ukuthi hayi Le sishap ngayo. And again, the medication, it requires you to take lots of water, especially when you're on TLD, because TLD is very strong and it becomes harsh to your kidneys and your liver. So to avoid kidney complications, make sure that you consume lots and lots of water.
But does it make sense though, Prince, for you to be covered, actually to protect yourself against HIV, to drink the pills like PrEP? Does it make sense? Because it doesn't make sense, because you are drinking the pills every day, you are avoiding to drink a medication every day. Do you get what I'm trying to say?
Yeah, I understand what you're saying.
Yeah.
For as PrEP, whatever, to drink it every day. My partner might be taking PrEP to protect herself from getting infected.
Yeah.
And I make sure that I'm virally suppressed.
Yeah.
Sharp. Yazi la emhlabeni kunjani. Khona abantu abangenangqondo abarapayo abayenzani.
Yeah.
PrEP encourage abantu bayithathe every day. Someone decides to step out atuziyele endaweni zakhe bambambe bamrape. Utho uthi urape umuntu wazi ukuthi ivirus uyithole from komunye umuntu, manje the aim is ukuyidlulisa. Uyabona manje she becomes infected ngayo. So yazi ukuthi PrEP yenzani, yakwazi ukuthi ithi pa. But yes, you are fully protected whatever happens. Like nami ngahla ngilungi virally suppressed, ngiphathwe iflu nyana ngiphathe yini, even now that blip uyabona nje manje counter ama waves lapha uyabona once yathi pa in a naked eye you can't see it, but mawuthi bayathatha igazi babo ukuthi most la you are less than 50, you are lower than the detectable limit. Now says you have 70 copies, and once you have 70 copies already, those copies are strong enough for ukuthi angakwazi uku-infecta the next person. Hence it's important to take PrEP ukuthi uziprotecte now, because at the end of the day you can't rely on me kuphela ukuthi make sure that you uphuza amapilisi. What if ngifikelwe ile nto le, because abantu, I might not face it, but khona abantu abane treatment holiday. I-treatment holiday yi-treatment fatigue. Womuntu uthi yes uningiphuza amapilisi ayi ngithatha 2 weeks ngingaphuza amapilisi. Uthatha that break nje bese uyabuyela, or unokuthatha 3 days bese abuyela. In that time mawusathi ushaya phela not ukuthi makazothi ngiya on treatment holiday, you make an announcement. When you die ngiwaphuzile just to take a break, kwazi ukurelaxa, then uyabuyela. So by that time when uthathe i-break, umuntu akwazi ukuthi when virally suppressed ansebenzisa i-condom akaphuza i-PrEP uqonde when protect, you see what's gonna happen. So avoidwa nje lento lezo.
Yeah.
This is some of the information kube bayikhipha ema-clinics.
Yeah.
But they don't give out this type of information.
They don't, yes.
That's why ku-life ngihlezi emphasize ngakuthi guys, enye into nje I think emoshaya, in order for people to understand their HIV status. I-building once wayakha, i-foundation yakhona iswakha, that building won't last. It will collapse. But i-foundation la ikhona, people who are giving counseling, mawuqeda ukutesta, if that counseling it wasn't convincing and strong enough, chances of lo muntu aphuza medication ayeka very high. It needs to be so good whereby they need to go back to the drawing board, bacheke labantu abakhansela ukuthi amani bafethu kwenzakala nasibhekeni kahle, where are you losing the plot here? Because manje sekule nto ukuthi mawuzotesta, you might try it one day, uhambe uyotesta.
Okay.
Ungene lapha, don't say anything if you no ngizotesta. The question was ubuza ukuthi why uzotesta, when was the last time you testa, when was the last time you had sex without a condom? Then after lapho umuntu uthi asimela ama results ayophuma ezophuthi.
Yeah, that's what they do.
Ukuba HIV, it's not the end of the world. It's like mina ngisuke today ngithi ngiyovula organization. Organization yani to advocate for blind people.
Yeah.
Yet I can see. Yini into ngizo-advocate. These people can't see. I need to say we can't see, we can't do anything. It's like kwamanje people who are leading.
Yeah.
Higher powers abane kuma parliament and all that. Mangena ama funds from overseas, but okay, we're doing this for HIV. Most people abaphethe, okay, I won't count if you are a doctor, you are a nurse, or you are a professor.
Yeah.
Ne? But omunye umuntu uzovenjathi no mina I fight for what rights for people who are living with HIV, yet umuntu HIV negative, yet isikhundla ule phezulu. Ngiyangathi ngathi bheka the LGBTQI community.
Okay.
They are making so much noise that you even find a member in parliament manje. We have an LGBTQ in parliament already.
Yeah.
That's to show ukuthi their voice bayilwela. But thina mangafika kuparliament wathi who's HIV positive, especially kwabantu abaphethe lama organization we-HIV, who's HIV positive? Two. Why are you doing it? No, since I'm HIV negative, I'm affected, so I'm trying to fight for. You don't know what umuntu HIV goes through on a daily. If bengikhona, if we had time, I was gonna say, let's start off from my Facebook account. Ungene on my DMs, ucheck ama counseling engwayenzayo to rectify my mistakes.
Yeah.
Ku TikTok, same thing. Njengoba ngivule na le group. Ile nto ukuthi same thing umuntu uyangifone ukuthi yazi nginenkinga namanje njoba ngisamela imoto uzongilanda lapha.
Yeah.
I was talking to one na unenkinga ukuthi i-medication like ufuna ugain weight and all that uyenza athi why can't bangas explain zonke lezi zinto.
So are you saying that, or in our facility, especially the health facility, there is a gap? There's something abaleka ngayo kakhulu, especially the information or their staff, they're not well trained about this thing, or yini buvila kahle kahle?
I can't say ubuvila because I do have nurses abanye abajoin ama lives wami.
Yeah.
This other one said the problem is that it's between them and the counselors. That's why I get it from the foundation. If we moshela on the counseling part,
Yeah.
because information mela etholela ukuthi if when you have a question you ask a nurse sekazocedela leyo question. So you cannot have a question if someone azanga presentele kahle. Uyobuza ini? Because if ngizothi okay inurse manje unombuzo anginambuzo why ungenambuzo because ayikho into engizoyibuza.
Yes.
It's because local counseling azangathi no, this is how you live your life, this is going to change for a while, this is that. So that okay, so nginembuzo kanje, okay leyo mbuzo leyo ngizocela uyibuza usister uye kuye because I don't have much knowledge on it. Okay le ngakuphendula ngayo le, okay then. So into ibhekiwe nje lapha Gijinyusi stats. We're just going to be honest, Gijinyusi stats. Ukuthi wena ngelanga at least mele utest abantu abayi-15 kuleyo 15 oyitestile at least mele kube ne-1 positive. And leyo 1 positive bazothi usebenzile. I used to work that job, hence ngiye resign on that job. Because they can't say hambani uyotest abantu abayi-15 mawubuye ubutest abantu abayi-30. Mina for me it's work. 30 it's double that. But noma uteste 30 bekumele bene positive, i-positive ayikho, so that means awusebenza.
Why mbele kube ne positive lapha?
Because it stats that shows you to discover umuntu positive you are working. If akunamuntu positive that means awusebenza. Ngaze ngababuza ngathi guys, how would we find abantu aba positive? We preaching PrEP. We preaching viral suppression. We preaching condom use.
Yes.
Ama new infection develop. Tina siyaka amapilisi siba infected then some futhi sizoba testa. Guys, it doesn't work like that. If safuna abantu aba because namanje is stats like South Africa, it's like 8 point something million people living with HIV.
Yeah, which is very high.
And 6 point something who are on medication. The rest they are not on medication, and there's like 700,000 men who are not on medication. Then biotolwa pilawan, it's like out of South Africa's population, it's almost 20% of people who are living with HIV.
But they are not taking medication.
No, they are taking medication only from, I think it's 8.5, I think 8.4 or 8.5 who are taking medication, then 6 point something. Then that 2 point something million, they are not on medication.
Damn. Why now my tester about are you circumcised? Ingena pile prokunlam.
If you're not circumcised, they need to recommend a circumcision.
But for 5 years, why I'm telling Bazo recommend isn't to? I'm the one who's supposed to take that decision, though.
The imagine kumele bakuthathe vele igazi so that bayazi ukuthi okay njoba manje njoba ushaya this test angithi njoba utestwa manje uyatestwa everything it's okay. Then if you are not virally suppressed, then into bazoyenza I mean, if you're not circumcised, into bazoyenza bakwazi ukurecommendela i-circumcision. Then iba simple kanjani.
Interesting. Very interesting. Okay, so now I just want to know about defaulting. You know, so about defaulting, like your case, you took a break from your medication. I'm sure you did default, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You eat defaulting. That 6 years I didn't stop because I stopped my medication for 6 years.
Yeah.
You eat defaulting.
So, mau default akwenzakala ni does that default means that uthi umzimba wakho uzorejecta the same ARVs that you were drinking before, or what is happening in between?
Chances are it depends on umzimba womuntu. Chances are it can reject. Sometimes it cannot reject. So kuyadependa ngithi ngawo ukuthi unjani angithi.
Yeah.
Because kwenye indawo it rejects you because of other complications, and kwenye indawo it accepts you because of you just did it once. Where it rejects you, it's maloku phuzu uyehla ngathi relationship ka baby mama no baby daddy bayekelana babuyelana.
Yeah.
By the time umjida aseka serious manje atshelwe umabhebeza diamond mawengane yampeka ngifuna ukushada manje ucanga ukuthi uzovuma leyo mfazi ukuthi bamshade. Because njalo baloku bakubamba ngento eyi1 uyacheat abafazi masothi uyashada ucanga ukuthi baby mama izokuvuma ngoba uyabo ukuthi uyafana uyiphinda lento no medication isebenza kanjalo. Yowangathi manje sofuna ungiphuza ke mina ngisasebenzi. Then mele bakuswitch from that bakulahlele kwenye regimen, from that bakulahlele kwenye.
Oh, but there is still hope even if you defaulted.
Yeah.
Okay.
For mina what happened, it was they couldn't find into eziningi. Angithi khona line 1 and line 2. I failed on line 1, I moved to line 2. Which is line 2, it was that 3. Then masebangazi ukuthi esani lo muntu ngathi sekayiqele ngale ku line 3 whereby line 3 abazi ukuthi bakunikeza mu medication. Bahlanganisa yonke lenyaka bathi bamba ndoda phuza sibone ukuthi yohamba kanjani kuyophela kanjani kuwo. So that's how it is. That's why it defaulting. See, and nale gama le defaulting mana ngithanda ukulisebenzisa as mawuthi defaulting, because I understand you can default on your house payment, your car payment.
Yeah.
You don't default on medication, you simply stop drinking medication.
Yeah.
So that's how it works. If analento yokuthi ama side effects.
Yeah.
Ngokuthi ukuthi ama side effect into mayiseceleni la kumele ingaffect ngoba ngiyibeke eceleni. Le ingaffect mangiceda ukuyigwinya, it's after effects of me drinking medication.
Yeah.
And nakhona lama after effects afikela abantu siya differentiate nakhona. Kumuntu onophuza medication angezwa next, like fana nami. Since I've started medication, I've never been dizzy. Abantu bayenza dizzy, abantu bayonsipho kwabani yenzani, mina I've never experienced
You've
that.
never experienced that? I once talked to Yamazu Tabisa ngithi basho like ubona ezinye izinto like ugcina sowuba na this thing yokuthi ngathi ungadlozi
we are hallucinate.
Yeah, yazi ubona izinto snacks, man. So that's where I was like, yo musi, that's why other people say kubeni izangoma zama celebrity usho ukuthi somehow badinga nje medication nje kuphela.
Ezinye izinto ne I think la eMzansi we've have this thing yokuthi senze everything fashionable. Yonke into sengathi i-fashion.
Yes.
You have ama-sangomas alleged wazokutshela ukuthi before ungena kuye atayazini akubona ukuthi wena sambe ukhapha uye clinic uyeke lento yenzayo. Then abanye uzothi clinic angifuni ngilanda ngesintu, and manje ungakhothi ukuthi khona abantu bazokutshela ukuthi mina ngiphuza ama herbs. I'd rather take herbs than not medication. They should know that if you decide to stop, once you have tasted that pill, Wi-Fi, it works faster to slow down the virus. Ama herbs, they do work, but ama herbs, they work slowly. And if you work slowly, the virus becomes faster. So you won't see anything. I want to I'm living green, healthy lifestyle on a diet.
Yeah.
Accent to uyenza 2 days or uyenza 4 months, then ibasha. I've been on this diet for like 5 years. Khona ngibona i-outcome manje. Can you wait 5 years ulokuphuza ama herbs ulokuthi? Because by the time 5 years ngiyokufika. Because it spread faster. And my spread faster. If ihleli la yenza 5 million, iyala 5 million, iyala 5 million, iyale 5 million. Awona ikhlasela yonke indawo. Ngama seyihlasela yonke indawo, compromise your immune system, so phathwa uma TB, so phathwa yini yabo. And manje le medication ayifuni mawungathi noma ungathi uphethwe ikhanda uthi ngiphuze ARV lami nePanado. iPanado izosebenza ukuthi ARV ngeke isebenze. Omunye uchisboy spoiled kabi akafuni ukuhlanganiswa nabanye abantu, ufuna ukuba utabe yi1 asebenzele kahle. Wayihlanganisa nenye. Uyothula nje ngeke isebenze yokubheka nje.
So most usawune WhatsApp group, right?
Yeah.
So ku WhatsApp group abantu abaningi baliliswa yini, what are they complaining about, especially about contracting the HIV, yini into aba complain ngayo in most cases, which is very common.
besides WhatsApp group, from everything that I've seen, acceptance number one, stigma nakhona, being judged, self-blame, self-shame.
Did you blame your parents?
No.
You've never?
You've
never questioned all that?
They never told me. They only told me that I got the virus through my sister.
Okay.
So, but usebenzise toothbrush she had bleeding gums wakeza ngeyami toothbrush, then mina 30 minutes later ngeza ngayithola imanzi ngageza amazinyo. Up until I grew up and I did my own research, I was like, love, they think ngizalwele ebhodleleni yabona.
Yeah.
Because the way ngakhona, a virus can't even stay in an open environment for 30 milliseconds. So 30 minutes uyenzani. So and I know my dad died of AIDS by pneumonia, and my mom is HIV positive, and I'm the only one who's born with it. My younger brother is HIV negative. So
this thing.
Yeah, for a mother to child protection.
Yes.
Being echo.
Oh, okay.
And she was breastfeeding
Yeah.
So so I'm like, so blame her. My mom used to blame my dad a lot because she ended up saying, uyabona ubabakho usigulisile ubabakho into ezinjalo khona manje akasekho ngithi lo muntu la khona uyithulele nje urelaxile nje futhi namathambo akho ngisho awasekho sekusele nje ikhanda kuphela nje lapho nje you worrying stressing about lo muntu akekho. When you just need to accept yourself, that's when self counseling came in. You need to accept yourself. And the more I talk about it, the more I heal. Like namanje, I think it was it was just 2 days ago, a few days ago. I have this video that went over 1 million views on TikTok.
Okay.
So he stitched my video and he was like, yeah, when about tina wena uhamba ushintsha namantombazana ukuthi uzothole leyo ngculaze yakho manje soyazitshela usitshela ukuthi siyenzeni, and he started swearing at me. Uyabo umuntu okhona. Then ushiya ama number wakhe, then I called him. Uthi emvo ngokwenzeni kanti mina angicaba ngikwazi ngazongifonelana seka blame ukuthi sekafake abanye abantu kule equation, and who are big on TikTok as well. Ukuthi mina na SBC abatheka sitabani and stuff like that. Njam, why you need to, do you know sometimes umuntu in denial is the person abenza the very same way they will act ngakhona. Someone will say, I don't want gay people, I don't want gay people, only to find out that they are gay themselves. So why are you so angry? Nayi location now to me looking ngizogxoba lapho ngithi nje mina I don't have isikhathi sokulwa ngithi yabona ithini ithini mawuse estradini mina ngumuntu ohamba estradini oloku akhahlela ithini leso anginomsindo ngizoliyeka la lelo thini ngijampele ngale ngiphume umuntu uzongibangela umsindo. I blocked him. He called me with a different number. Khuluma nawe uyangiblock, and also blocked him. Ngathi I can see it's one of those chasing likes and the views, so ngave nje ngaphuma kuyo that ngathi sometimes we do have abantu and abantu abayekutha njengaye kanje. You have omunye umuntu close to him who's HIV positive, who wants to disclose to him, but with his kind of behavior already it sets the mood off with as in I'd rather not talk because uyambona lo muntu wenzani. Kusasa ngizothi ngiyamtshela, what if uzongijudge, what if he's going to become worse ukudlula izinto. So I might as well just let him be. Yabo ukuthi yenzani ikhawatha omunye umuntu. So into abantu abangayicheckile ukuthi some things that you say, you might say them because of you want to make jokes and everyone bahleke ne. But ungakhohlwa ukuthi kusasa someone wants to come and talk to you about something. Then when you decide kanjani, as long as omunye umuntu angimanje i-HIV is associated with promiscuity angithi uyakhohlwa ukuthi as long as you are still sexually active, chances of you being HIV positive are very high, especially if you don't drink your medication, especially if you don't test regularly and ends in a couples testing. Chances of you, and I was in a condom, chances of you being infected are very high. So umuntu ujudge omunye umuntu akhohlwa ukuthi 2 years later ungamangala ku uyafika sethi yo bafike ngaxolisa ngento engayenza ngiphuma bangitshele bathi bese mina ngimshaya nge-reject bese izothini kusasa uPrince unceda la afuna ukubanceda mina ngiyakuye bese ngiyayidonsa ngithi la uyabona la bekwenzakalana hawo usase lapho mina bekuzidlale that's why but sometimes be careful on what you post because ungathi ufuna umsebenzi bakudonsele yona lento le bathi
usicheck ukuthi
uyabona ukuthi wenzani yabo so enye into nje
but the social media inamapolice abaya abakubullishi la except this one recently normally when you check the overall people are not bullying you with these crazy comments
mina ngiyaphendulana nje yami
yeah angeke ngiyekele ne
mina ngiyaphendulana mina
okay
and mina I can argue for days
yeah
and ngapha ngithanda ukuthi ngiyislima
yeah
I'm an idiot I can use whatever everything just to but not personal things but I can make you look like an idiot while talking to you whereby bagcina bonke man when uyaphetha into le uyabona uyamsukela so nakule video that went viral I do have about but yo I hope nwabhatalile because on that it's a joke type of thing people never saw the picture of that post that I did whereby I collected all of my containers wami ngiwasebenzisa for a demonstration because umuntu unokuthi no ngiphuza iLouis Vuitton sengiphuza iMetela Dorf sengiphuza iTelatri kanti no it's just one thing just different companies so I keep those containers with so ngiyenza ngazama ukuseparate amaphilisi ngayenza ngathi half wonke amanye empty ngawathatha ngathi mina lento nyawalahla manje sengila it was before sazi ngale case le so why I did that it was this thing you bring hype it's a simple business rule in pills and ARV we know that everything it's a business it's just a simple business rule create demand then supply that video is to create demand because if you're not aware if you check that video people disclosed without them being aware that they're actually disclosing their HIV status because majority of people on my comments I can say they're HIV positive because everyone would how siyayifuna itholakala kuphi esikhathele nathi siyayifuna without them being aware that we actually disclosing so as you can see from the likes and the views and the comments and from the favorites who saved it and who shared it already that gives you a brief explanation yokuthi yes because no someone khona umuntu otheke uThabiso wathi uyabothenza wathi nami angiyazi ngifuna ukuzwa because uThabiso umuntu ophendulanayo uThabiso but naye lapha nganawo manje and then which one is this one kanti no create demand at least give people options that you can have an injection or you can have pills injection you shot for 3 months you come back after 3 months
pills ikhona na
no not yet
oh yes
but I need at least giving that option ukuthi ungayithatha for 3 months every after 3 months uze esibhedlele short uyahamba then because lengazi ukuthi khona ile prep whereby next year bazoyikhipha whereby you only get shot 2 times a year whereby every after 6 months uyajova yabo that one is confirmed ngizwe ngabo professor nje bengattended this PEPFAR implementation meeting yes so iba yilento leyo ukuthi okay at least uyazi ukuthi mawuzothi 2 shots
yes
2 shots then uyazi ukuthi umnandi then a year so banikeza abantu option ukuthi do you want pills or do you want injection siya ku December manje how many people are gonna skip their medication how many people are going on treatment holiday
yes
you see why it's important to take PrEP
my guy time is not on our side but I believe this is a for the next one I feel like there is a lot and a lot and a lot to tell on your story, man, and I believe that many people will learn from your story, you know. And again, we like to wish you a happy birthday. We don't have a cake yet. We don't have a cake. I'm sure now starting on my cake.
Manje sengimdala lelo cake angisalile sokula boshukela nani ngidlela inye cake manje hayi le.
Oh, okay. All right. Anyway, Mfethu, thank you so much for coming, man. It was absolutely amazing to have you. Sizokubiza Mfethu for the next one. I'm sure for part 2 nyana finally sibe now.
Thank you for the invite. As in doing ngakhona.
Yeah.
Only where you posted to YouTube and TikTok.
Yeah.
They will decide if part 2 yafuneka.
Yeah, you are available to decide with part 2 yafuneka.
They will decide with part 2 yafuneka or kanjani then.
Yeah. Okay. No, I hear you, my guy. Thank you so much for coming. And make sure you like, you subscribe, you comment, you do. What do you think of today's episode? I believe now Wednesday the same. Let's meet on the next episode. Sharp. Happy birthday to Uncle.